18 months after the tragic death of Dominick Calhoun, his family is one step closer to getting Dominick's law passed.
I'm happy, but I'm sad here because, every day I think about, he'd have been 6 years old on Monday and he'd be in first grade right now.
Thursday, the bill was introduced to lawmakers in Lansing. Dozens of supporters, family, and friends gathered outside the steps of the Capitol with signs in hand, wearing white T-shirts and blue ribbons in honor of little Dominick.
We were very happy when we came up front here and seen all the people standing here.
Dominick was just 4 years old when he was found dead in his Argentine Township apartment. Investigators say he was tortured and beaten to death by Brandon Hayes, his mother's boyfriend, while she, Corinne Baker, stood by.
If you look at all the pictures and things of him, you can't help but just, wonder why.
For months, Dominick's grandfather, Rick Calhoun, and a growing number of supporters campaigned online and worked hard at putting together Dominick's law.
I hope it saves one child, and if it saves just one, we've done our job.
The law would make it a crime to abuse a child in front of another child and increase sentences for convicted abusers from a minimum of 5 years in prison to life. Rick says nothing will ever bring back little Dominick, but he's hoping this legislation will ensure that no other child will suffer the way he did.
By this law, we just know that we're going to be helping.
State Representative Paul Scott sponsored the bill and hopes it sends a message to would-be offenders.
The goal here is to make sure everyone has a clear understanding that Michigan's not going to tolerate heinous child abusers and that we're going to have one of the toughest penalties anywhere in the country.
Rick says getting the bill in front of lawmakers is a bittersweet victory.
And I just know that, he would look me and, just tell me, good job, Grandpa, That's about it.
Jenny Suniga, NBC 25 News.